So, Google just rolled out new rules for AI content on YouTube. Basically, if you're using AI to create realistic-looking videos, like deepfakes or synthetic voices, you now have to disclose it. This isn't just a suggestion. It's a requirement. The goal? Transparency. Viewers deserve to know if what they're watching is AI-generated or altered. It's about building trust and keeping the platform honest. But here's the catch. If you don't disclose when you're supposed to, there could be consequences. Repeated violations might lead to penalties, including removal from YouTube's partner program. So, if you're using AI tools, whether it's for voiceovers, video editing, or creating synthetic content, make sure you're following these new rules. It's not just about compliance. It's about keeping YouTube a trustworthy space for everyone.